Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do an unboxing video. I finally got the coilovers that I ordered a while ago, and I picked them up today, and I'm super excited to see how these things look. As you know, back when I was starting the build and finishing the engine swap, I talked about wanting to do a suspension setup. You already know that I'm doing all polyurethane bushings on the car, or at least mostly polyurethane bushings on the car. And then now I finally picked a set of coilovers that I wanted to pick something budget friendly yet have decent reviews. There's a huge range of different coilovers to get. I mean, obviously the cheapest one was Yanaka, and then there's also Trueheart and all those other ones. But a lot of people have reviews on these Maxpeedingrods coilovers, which basically are the same coilover for the entire 88 to 2000 Civic generation. But I want to see how these things look. I mean, so far on YouTube, other people that have been sponsored by Maxpeedingrods have said that the coilovers are really good, but they're sponsored. I had to buy these. I bought these through a performance shop here locally. Because the borders are closed, I can't ship in the States and then go down to the States and pick up, which would have saved me a lot. But I had to order these through a performance shop, and then they go down to the States and they pick it up. It's still cheaper than shipping directly from the States over to Canada, so I saved a little bit there. But I finally got these coilovers, and I'm excited to see how they look like. So let's just get to the unboxing. Alright, as you can see, it says Maxpeedingrods on the box. So let's just cut this open and have a look at what it looks like. So it is well packaged. These are quite heavy as I was lifting them out of my car. That doesn't look good. There's a little bit of a oil stain in here, so I'm hoping that these coilovers aren't really leaking or anything. There's a whole bunch of, everything's a little greasy. Alright, so first impressions with these Maxpeedingrod coilovers is not very good. I guess paperwork or pamphlet or customer service cards and stuff that came with it are completely soaked in this oil. So one of the shocks definitely is definitely blown on here, and exploded all over the place. I don't think you could capture it on camera, but it's all basically very oily, and it's like a yellow oil. I'll bring it up close so you can see. As you can see, it's like a little tint of yellow oil here, all the way here. And this one, you notice the color difference? This one looks fine. So either one of the shocks exploded and kind of leaked all over this area, or something else. I'm not sure. I mean, it's definitely not packaging grease, because there's no way this much oil would kind of come out. Also, you notice the top here, this knob here is quite banged up, as well as these ones are okay, but I think it's because this foam here or something like that is shifted and didn't protect this one. It just probably went right. Yep, you can feel the hole right there. It just went right through there and must have hit the floor or something and probably exploded. Honestly, I don't really know, so I'm kind of not looking forward to even unboxing this anymore. The bag is all greased up. Yeah, I mean, I'm pulling one of these shocks out. Let's just, hang on, I'm just gonna put this back. So put it back on the tripod, and then just take a look at it. This one's all greasy on the inside. I mean, the top here is definitely all greasy. Not sure if it's coming from this one, but it looks like a lot of the grease is in this bag. So this is one of the rear shocks. Let's take a look at this one. So it's kind of clean from here, and then it's greasy from up here. So my understanding is one of the rear shocks is blown. Kind of looks like that. This one as well, it's got grease everywhere. So let's just pull this out and take a look. So it's kind of greasy on top. This one's all right. So, I mean, yeah, this one seems all right. But it did bang the top here, damaging this little rubber nub. The arms here, the spanner wrenches, it's covered in oil. The only one that's not covered in oil is this one shock on the end here. This is the only one that is fine. So as far as I know, it looks like at least a couple of the shocks are blown, or at least one of them is. Packaging is definitely not the best, because as you can see here, it looks like maybe some stuff shifted or something, and it just wasn't helping it sit properly. But you can take a look at my hands here, covered in grease. Or not grease, but like the shock oil. I can smell it. It smells like oil. Yeah, essentially this is not a good review. I mean, compared to what I've seen on YouTube, other people unboxing it, it looks great, the other people's unboxing. But mine is just super oily. The foam is stained with this yellow oil. Definitely, I don't want to put this into the car, because, you know, it's probably, one of the shocks is probably blown already. If that much oil is coming out of it, it's probably emptied out at least one of the shocks. So yeah, that's basically my unboxing right now, and it doesn't look too good. I'm not too happy with it. So upon further inspection, you can kind of see the oil already along the tape. So this thing's been leaking for a while. You can see it all along here. So it's definitely been leaking for a while. Alright guys, so basically I had to take off my jacket as I was taking this stuff out. It's just getting oil all over the place, all over me. My impression of this product is not very good. I would say this is like a very, very poor quality product if it's coming like this, leaking and damaged. And it's pretty evident that it leaked through the box. I'm not sure how long it's been leaking, if it was shipping damage. I don't know, but for sure they came damaged. And for me waiting this long to get this product, I'm pretty disappointed. You know, I was really excited to unbox this, and you know, like the other YouTube videos, people were like, "Oh, this is a great product, it's awesome." I really wish that I had that kind of expression, but I didn't. Instead, this is a very, very sad review. Yeah, I have to contact the performance shop I ordered this through and see what they can do. Likely we're gonna have to contact Maxpeedingrods, and most likely we're gonna probably have to ship this back, and it's gonna cost money. You know, well, what can I do, right? You know, I took a chance with these and they came back really shitty. But anyways, guys, I hope this is an informative video for you guys to make a decision on your coilovers. I mean, hopefully if I get another set, they turn out better. I'm just pretty disappointed that this is what happened to me. But, you know, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.